Hello and welcome to the first lesson. Today we are going to see some basic dialogue examples in English. We are mainly going to learn how to greet each other and how to introduce ourselves. Let's see an example.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
I am good, thanks. How are you?
I am pretty good. My name is Gonzalo.
Nice to meet you, Gonzalo. How do you spell your name?
Gonzalo.
My name is Ilna. It's E-L-N-A.
Where are you from, Elna?
I am from South Africa. Where are you from?
I am from Spain.
I have arrived to my station. Goodbye, Gonzalo.
Goodbye.
Let's practice this dialogue. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. How are you? I am good, thanks. How are you? I am pretty good. My name is Gonzalo. Nice to meet you, Gonzalo. How do you spell your name? Gonzalo. My name is Elna. It's E-L-N-A. Where are you from, Elna? I am from South Africa. Where are you from? I am from Spain. I have arrived to my station. Goodbye, Gonzalo. Goodbye. Let's practice the dialogue one more time. This time, we are going to role play. I am going to be Elna and you are going to be Gonzalo. Yes, you are Gonzalo. All of you. You ready? Hello. I am good, thanks. How are you? Nice to meet you, Gonzalo. How do you spell your name? My name is Elna. It's E-L-N-A. I am from South Africa. Where are you from? I have arrived to my station. Goodbye, Gonzalo. Well done! Very good. Now, let's practice one more time. But this time, I'm going to be Gonzalo and you are going to be Elna. You ready? Hi, how are you? I am pretty good. My name is Gonzalo. Gonzalo. A-L-O. Where are you from, Elna? I am from Spain. Goodbye. Wow! Congratulations! You see, you can speak English right now. And now, let me ask you some questions about the dialogue. Where is Elna from? She is from South Africa. Good job! Second question. Where's Gonzalo from? South Africa? No. Think again. Oh, no, sorry. He's from Spain. Yes, very good. In English, there are different ways for greetings. For example, we can say, good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. And of course, we can say, as we saw in the dialogue, hello, hi. And some people also say, hey, or yo. There are also different other ways for asking, how are you? So you can say, how have you been? How have you been? How have you been? How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? How is it going? How is it going? How is it going? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What have you been up to? What have you been up to? What have you been up to? And if you want to answer these questions, you can say, I'm fine, thanks. I am fine, thanks. I'm pretty good. I am pretty good. I'm pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. Very well, thank you. And you? Very well, thank you. And you? Not much. Not much. Not much. Let's see an example.
Yo, what's up? I'm fine, thanks. How's it going? Not bad.
Very well. And now, Let me tell you some expressions that you can use for farewells. It's a pleasure seeing you. It's a pleasure seeing you. It's a pleasure seeing you. It's nice meeting you. It's nice meeting you. Or, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Goodbye. 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 Or simply bye. Bye-bye. Take care. Take care. Take care. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you later. See you later. See you later. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Let's see an example.
Hello.
Hi, Sarah.
How are you doing?
Very well, thank you. And you?
Not bad. Have a good day.
See you later.
Now, this last part of the video is for revising the English alphabet with some English vocabularies. A. Apple. B. Bear. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Fish. G. Giraffe. H. House. I. Ice. J. Jar. K. Kite. L. Luggage. M. Moon. N. Nurse. O. Orange. P. Pen. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. School. T. Teacher. U. Unicorn. V. Video. W. Window. X. Xylophone. Y. Yoga. Z. Zip.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and encourage us by liking this video.
Thank you. See you in the next video with a new lesson.